Why do I need an accountant or a bookkeeper? Can't I just do it myself? Yeah, you probably can. Wait, what? Us, as a team of accountants and bookkeepers, are saying that you don't need an accountant or a bookkeeper? Well, yeah, we are. Just like you don't need a hairdresser. You don't need a butcher. You don't need a mechanic to change the parts on your car. You don't need a plasterer to get that beautiful finish on your walls. You don't need a dentist to extract your wisdom teeth. We could go on. When you think about it, there are really very few professions that we truly need. If by need we mean it's an absolute necessity that someone else does this and there is no way you could do it for yourself, brain surgeons maybe fall into that category. Other than that, it's not a lot. So you could definitely save yourself a lot of money by taking all of these matters into your own hands. But if we're defining what we need, which we probably are, as someone to do the things that I can't do very well myself, or I don't enjoy doing myself, or who will do it to a lot better standard than I can, given that it is their area of expertise, then yeah, we do probably need a butcher to do the deed on our Christmas turkey. We do need a dentist to extract our wisdom tooth. And we even do need a hairdresser, unless we want to end up looking like Wurzel Gummidge. No, I am not that old, but I watched a lot of old TV shows when I was a kid. On the same vein, a lot of people do need an accountant and or a bookkeeper. We could watch endless YouTube videos on how to numb our gum, which tools we need, which painkillers we should use afterwards to take out our own tooth. We could watch endless tutorials on bookkeeping, accounting software, which codes to use, how to do VAT returns, how to do payroll. But just as the whole tooth extraction process will be a lot less painful by going to the expert, handing over some parts of the accounting and bookkeeping in your business to the expert will reduce your pain and potentially even make it enjoyable. Our range of services does differ from client to client. Some clients can do a lot for themselves and really do only need us for their year-end accounts. Others are happy to hand us everything, bookkeeping, payroll, even invoicing their clients. They want us to do it all. For you, the happy medium is quite possibly somewhere in between. And at our proposal meetings, we will discuss exactly what you're currently doing, how it's working, if you're happy and confident with that. Are there areas we could train you and guide you for you to do it yourself? Or what bits do you just want us to take care of? We keep track of the deadlines. We will do the hours on hold to HMRC. We will do the analysis of your incomings and outgoings and present it all to you in a neat little package with a bow. Not literally, although if you do sign up with us, you never know. So no, you don't need us. But just as your clients hand over to you for your area of expertise, that's what we're here for too. To make your business experience a much more enjoyable one, much less painful and much less stressful. So fill in our quick questionnaire and we will start chatting about how to extract your tooth. Not how to extract your tooth, how to take the numbery bits out of your business that you don't want to do. Off of your plate and onto us.